So this is a Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus. Today I was trying to test my wireless microphone, so I thought I should use that opportunity to also show you a smartphone, mostly the smartphone battery, what it basically is. So I wanted to power on this device, but unfortunately its battery was dead. So I thought I would show you what I had to go around, and that would help me show you what a smartphone battery basically is. Now, if you look at this, a smartphone battery is basically two things: an accumulator. This is a storage unit, like that tank that will store water. Then we have a control unit to control the amount of power entering or leaving the battery. Think of it like the tap connected to your tank. So what happens is, should you fail to get the battery of your smartphone and you have the old battery, you can pick the